How do I make the rotation of the camera? Uh, the rotation of the camera is slightly jerky because because when the player moves to the next wall, it's at the rotation takes some time. How do I make the rotations less jerky and sorta account for the inherent rotation we know is about to take place, keeping in mind the flip, the middle. There's a more predictive approach for smoothing out the rotation. Oh. Mm-mm-mm. Hmm. Okay. So, forward direction. Hmm. Hey, that's actually not even kidding. That's actually kind of what we want. That's like exactly what we want. Uh, well, the flip's not happening at the right time. It happens at the right time on that side, but not on that side? Why is that? But the camera angle is now absolutely right. This is exactly what we want for the camera angle. We just need to figure out why that flip is happening. That's awesome. Okay. Um, um, okay. Don't need those right now. Okay. Um. Okay, we're so close. We're so close. Oh my god. We're so close. Let's just um let's fucking... Okay, so how is it figuring out if we're on the left? Stop power to... Okay, direction to center. Oh, I see. If we do the left, it's probably just gonna flip the issue to the other side, if I had to guess. Okay, now it flips right there. Yeah, it flips in it. Yep, it flipped the issue. Vector 3 dot 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 dot. Returns 1 if they point in exactly the same direction. -1 if they point in the opposite direction. 0 if the vectors are perpendicular. I see. So forward to other. So direction to center. Oh, so now we're calculating that twice. Sensor direction. Oh my god. Center direction. Let me just put this up here. Oh, that could be part of the issue. Let's see what happens if we do that. I don't think this is gonna fix it, but it might. No, I don't think it will. It'll cause more issues. What the fuck? It's not. It's not it. Okay. This doesn't work because flips when the player goes around the infinity sign. To left. To the left. Oh, there it is. Does make sense of the players. Okay, using it to. What? Oh, I'm an idiot. I just confused it. Given that that flips the direction, you'll need a different approach. Yeah. Instead of relying on right, you can use the following strategy. Use the player position relative to the center point. Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Interception.
Hey, hell yeah, man. Thank you for the raid. I appreciate it. Like, honestly. I have been up for so long. I've been up for so long making this. Basically trying to make a remake of Tempest. Gonna add other stuff. It's gonna look something like this, hopefully. Right now, we've got following. How's it going, man? Thank you. Thank you. So right now we've got this going on. Wait, let me. The camera's messed up. Hey, thank you. Wait for it. Awesome. Orange chicken. What does orange chicken have to do with it? I'm so tired, man. Alright, look at this. Okay, we're going way too fast. Why? See, it's flipping way too... Okay, we're flipping way too much now. So, we had it sort of working before. Let me show you what we had before. We were doing a dot product, but the issue is that every time that the... every time... Thank you. Every time that the... that we go around the horn as our player character. See, we're outside of the wall right now. Okay, wait. I need to flip this. We're outside of the wall both ways, but when we do this, we're going to be on the inside of the wall both ways. So you're inside of the wall, inside of the wall. You may think, wow, looks great. But watch this. If I go here, it flips perfectly. If I go to this side, it's going to flip one too early. See, I can go here to here. It doesn't flip. And that's not a 5 ads. Don't worry. We'll wait for you. Jesus. 5 ads. I hate that shit, man. Twitch chose the wrong path with that shit, man. I'm telling you. But yeah. So basically, that's the issue. That is more insane than the flipping. And the flipping's pretty insane. It's pretty messed up. So yeah, we're trying to fix that tiny issue, and we'll wait for these ads, man. I don't know what's up with that. They're each 20 seconds. And they're all unskippable, and they're all, like, half of them are the same ad. I guarantee you. Jesus Christ. At least 2 of them are the same ad. We can also, while we're waiting for these ads, we can also, I could show you guys, I've got these 2 different shapes, and we can flip the pattern around. It doesn't move the player character there just yet, immediately, but yeah, that is rough. Jesus. But yeah, don't worry, we won't do anything while you're gone. But yeah, we can flip these, we can flip the pattern around to do that, and then we can add more walls. I can give you a better view of that here. We go in. We can add more walls, we can remove walls, and it adjusts accordingly. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you. We can adjust the radius, and then we can do all that on the fly. Infinity with fewer and fewer walls looks hilarious. That's pretty good. And then that's pretty good. That's classic. And then yeah, it works no matter how many walls I have, no matter what. Yeah, we just need to fix that one issue with the camera. Alright. Good night, gaming with a doggy. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hopping on over here. I don't blame you after those ads, man. That's not cool. I gotta like disable ads, I swear to God. I don't care that much about making money from this. But yeah, you can hold shift to make it so you have to press left or right again one at a time. I call it like crawling, because most of the time you want to be just speeding around these things. You want to just be go whoo, and then sometimes you want to crawl. That's true. I need to figure out how the schedule works with the ads, because I don't get a notification right now when it's about to give ads. And that's pretty important. Yeah, the pre-roll ads suck, because you get that you don't want to watch what you were just interested in. Yeah, it's ridiculous. But yeah, so we're hoping to make something like this. Right now we've just got this one last bug to fix, and then I'm going to bed. ChatGPT recommended swapping this to a different thing. Thank you, man. I made it all myself in the last 48 hours. Yeah, it took a lot. I didn't know. I'm pretty proud of. Oh, this is old. I actually don't need this. This is from an old plane game I made. Yeah, this is for GMTK. Yeah. What is it? Built to scale. Where's that? Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, built to scale. I'm trying to figure out how to implement the whole scale aspect, which is why I'm hoping what I can do eventually is sort of adjust the radius in real time. Um, and also the scale is going to be a factor when the enemies come up and like they're going to like eat one of these walls. And when they eat one of the walls, it's going to do what I do here when I get rid of one of the walls, where it's just going to like just kind of fill in that space. And then eventually you're going to keep running out of walls. Which does, now that I'm realizing it, make the walls width bigger. Because I was hoping the sense of scale could sort of come from it getting smaller when they eat the walls. But maybe like the camera can pull away, but yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I've always wanted to make, if you know the game Super Hexagon, I've always wanted to make something similar to that. So at some point here, I think there's going to be walls or enemies of some kind coming from the outside too, or coming from above, so you get that perspective. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, yeah, exactly. I think what I'm gonna do is have the player scale out to sort of match the width of each wall, but I guess you're right. That could be different as well. Exactly, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I could have like levels that look really small. I'm also thinking about like shader effects that I can do um to really emphasize the scale, but um yeah, we'll get there when we get there. The main thing right now is just getting the gameplay good. And we're so close. Like this camera, this bug right here, I just realized it's a thing where it doesn't flip. You can see if I go to this side, it'll do it at the right time. And then it gets really confusing because you don't know which side you're on. But on this side, it flips one too early. And that's because it's pulling from the direction that the player is facing and not the position of the player. So what I'm trying to do right now is change it from the dot product that I have, which is using that direction the player is facing, which for some reason is the left, even though it should be forward. And I tried everything to make it forward, but I just don't care anymore. The issue is that the walls are technically facing sideways. They're not like the inner face here. The wall is not facing this direction. It's technically facing either this direction or this direction, depending on, I think this is the next wall. Yeah. Yeah, so this wall is facing that way, technically. And I tried to fix that, and then it just caused more issues, so yeah, we'll see. But for now, let's try and fix this. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. So yeah, ChatGPT is recommending doing this whole thing, which is what I was trying instead. Hey, thank you. Thank you. I need that right now. I need the support. Because I know when because I have to work on Monday and this is due on Tuesday at noon. So I have to work Monday and Tuesday. So it's like if I can't get a lot of this done over the weekend, I'm kind of screwed. So I'm hoping as long as I can fix this one issue with the camera tonight, then tomorrow I can focus on the enemies and making the game look pretty. And then Monday, Tuesday can just be menus, and hopefully like Monday can just be menus and then into enhancements. And I've got a list of things to do still. Yeah, and then I just need more level patterns, and then I'm gonna have to come up with subroutines or coroutines or whatever the hell they're called, to sort of make these things happen on a set schedule, just to make it more interesting as well. Yeah, but basically once I get this done, tomorrow will just be enemies, and then once the game is there, I can make it look pretty relatively quickly, so at least I hope, because I can add shaders. I found some stuff in the asset store, so we'll see. But for now, let's see. Yeah, so it's taking the center point to this, set this back to target position. It's taking the shouldn't this be center point minus the play? No, I guess minus the center. I don't know. Or shouldn't this be center point? The center point is 0, 0. So I feel like this should just be adding. That could be the issue, actually. Because it was like on the outside and then flipping at weird times. So let's try that. One in doubt. Exactly. Exactly. Bright colors, and you honestly just make it look like this. You just throw a bunch of shit at the wall. And this, I mean, the text looks horrible, but like the actual, like the background and stuff doesn't look that bad. And I really want this like effect in the background. What I really want is a fractal effect. Oh, what is that? Oh no. I had a program that I installed yesterday. Here it is, Mandelbulber. And I want to like, this lets you like hopefully generate renders of these. What is happening? Auto refresh. Please. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, so this is a giant 3D fractal. And you can literally go inside it, which is like amazing. The controls are not intuitive though. Whoa, that rotates? I didn't know you could rotate. Yeah, this is sick. This is like really cool. So if you get it right, oh, okay, when you zoom in, you can sort of guide it. So yeah, you can like zoom in here, and this will just go on and on and on and on and on. And there's like really cool ones. So I want this to sort of be the background, but I don't know if I can really use this to render. I mean, here's, you can literally click render. Oh, that maybe just, oh, that's just to render the frame. But yeah, we'll see. Because I kind of also don't want to have it pre-baked. And I found, like I said, I found stuff on the asset store to sort of do that in real time. But we'll see. Okay. Direction to center. Oh, did I delete that? I totally did. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, no, it's still just flipping at random times. What is going on? Okay, so here you can see it is just moving once at a time, but it's like flipping every other time. Jesus. Okay. Maybe actually, what if I do that? There's no way this works, but I just want to see what this does. Player relative position, vector up, what is direction to center? That's a vector 3. Okay, so we're still doing a dot. Oh my god. Is that a thing? This might fix it. Nope. So I think I'm just gonna go back to this. Okay, so when we get here, oh, so that's the same, which makes sense because these two are parallel. It's not actually flipping the player, it's just flipping the camera. I mean, I wonder what happens if we do forward. Well, okay, wait. Would it work if you flip the camera based on the player's position? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm trying to do. The problem is I don't know how. That's what this is basically doing. It's the problem is it's using the whatever player.transform.right is, which I think is a direction. Yeah. Because that's exactly right. It should be if they're on the left side, it's flipped. If they're on the right side, it's not flipped or whatever. Let me see here. Let me see what we're actually dealing with. Oops. Yeah, my bad. Okay. Look at that. So it's 0.06. And that's why it's flipping. I think. Oh god, wait. Yeah, so right now we're going to be all negative. Wait, why are we on the outside? Oh, wait. This needs, yeah. How did this get flipped? Yeah, the problem right now is I'm just too tired to deal with this myself. Okay, so you can see it goes from 7 to -1. And then on this side, it goes from -0.06, -8, -2. Am I doing the right? Oh, I'm using... That would be confusing things. But yeah, that's basically exactly what I'm trying to do. Oh, and that makes sense why we had to... Okay, so actually... yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. -2, 0.06. -1, 7. -1, 7. So you can see the only thing that changes there in the direction to center is the x coordinate. And then the player right hold up. What? Okay, so when we do this, we go from, need to write this down. Just, yeah, okay. Okay, so we go from here to there. And then when we don't flip correctly, we go from this to this. Okay, so these positive and negatives all stay the same as these positive and negatives. In fact, these should be the same. Oh, you know what? And then good. Let's get this shit in there. So when we go from here to here, this to this. This should flip, but it doesn't. Okay. So you can see when we go from these are the same, these are the same, these are slightly different. We go from direction to center being all negative, all negative. This is negative. This is the only difference here. Okay. So our this does flip to a positive. Okay, so these flip. This stays the same. This flips in the same direction. And then this are the same. Yeah, I think we just need to rethink how we're doing this. We should have done that. Okay, so we're on the right if the dot product is greater than 0. So we know here. So we go from the left to the right on the correct flip, and then we go from the right to the left on the wrong flip. We go from the left to the left. So I think that makes sense. I just don't understand. Yeah, I think we just need to rethink this. One if they point in the same direction, negative one if they point in the opposite direction, 0. Okay, so we're comparing the direction to center, which is center point. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely overcomplicating this. How do I change the following dot product to check instead if the player is to the left left of the center point in Unity. Oh. So cross it and then Okay, hold up. Okay, I know a super easy way to do this. So the position is y 0.5. Uh, um, distance from center equals layer dot transform dot position minus center point dot transform dot position. And then we can literally get rid of all this. If distance from center dot y is greater, not y, x. X is greater than 0. It's on the right side. It's literally that simple. It was that simple. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Life is skit. That's so true. Oh my god. You're totally right. It was that simple. Just are we on the left side? And it's just taking the distance. Let's go. Thank you, man. Oh my god. I appreciate that. Okay. Literally that simple. You love when ChatGPT overcomplicates it. Yeah, fine. Okay, this is still opposition stuff. Wonderful. Okay, I think that's it. I think I'm calling it. Yeah. I mean, sorry you tuned into the last bit of this stream. I mean, I've been going since for a long time now. I'm so tired. Oh my god, no, I don't need this shit. Okay. Stage of changes. Edit, camera, follow. Can't play. Hey, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. I don't even have my headphones on. I got too hot. My ears got too hot having them on, so I wouldn't have heard the applause. So I appreciate you saying that in chat. Edit, camera, follow. I can't even think of what to put in the commit message. That's how tired I am right now. Edit camera. I'm so tired. Oh my god. Where are my commits? Where are my commits? You can check out the code on GitHub if you really want. Yeah, add camera file scripts. Cool. Fucking send it. Oh, we fixed it. We did it. Oh, it makes me so happy. I thought that was going to be way more complicated to resolve. I don't know why. I think I'm too tired at this point. But yeah. And now, let me just make sure. Oh, I just pushed those changes. This better not be on the outside. God damn it. God damn it, man. I gotta fix it. I gotta fix it. I gotta fix it. Just flip that. Flip that. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry. Look at this. Look at this. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. No, now we're on the outside here. But then when we go to the circle, we're going to be on the inside? No. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. This is why we can't. This is why we can't have nice things. Oh. No, of course it's not. This is why I was trying to do it the other way. And this is why this is so complicated. It's because we only want to flip if... it's too much to even explain right now, man. Yeah. Yeah. Well, what do you mean add 180 degrees to the wire orientation? I'm so tired, I don't know how that would fix anything. Fuck, man. Okay. So, yeah, this is why we couldn't do it that way, because now the second we pass up here, it's along this line, it flips. And that's why we were doing it. Yeah, it's not always face. Yeah, exactly. It's not. It's because the fix that we implemented was too simple, and there was a reason I wasn't doing it that way. Is because it's not as simple of, is it on the left, is it on the right? Yeah, no. So the issue, I can show you the issue actually. So the issue is ear tissue. If we go here, here, if we do a little dance, go like this, bada bing, bada boom. If we do this, you will see that the camera, what are you talking about? Desired position. Oh, okay. Yeah, cool, man. Okay. So, if we do this, you'll see that yeah, it doesn't only apply in the infinity. It applies always. That's the thing. So see how, okay, wait, the camera's on the outside. Negative. Okay. So now you're going to see that when we do this, you're going to see the issue. It's the same issue that you get when you have a, not a Klein bottle. I forget the name of the 2D version. Whatever plane. You can see here. So look where the camera is at all times. The camera is going to stay on the same side. So now it's on the inside. Now it's on the outside. Now it's on the inside. Now it's on the outside. And that's because the player doesn't flip. When they get to here, which they shouldn't, because they're not on a different side of the wall. It's a continuous line of walls, and that's necessary because if we add more of them, you can see it still works just fine. So basically, when we do it like this, we need it to flip if and only if the player has just crossed over, so that now, so if we do that, the center point of the player, it's so difficult to explain. I had it earlier in my head and I just completely forgot it, and that's why okay. Basically, we need to do what we were doing before, but do it correctly. And I tried to explain it to ChatGPT. It did not understand what I was saying. Yeah. So I might just call it a night. Let's see. Let's go back to here. We need the dot product back. We need the distance from center. Oh, no, we don't. We need all this back. Except the distance from center. Okay. Yeah, exactly. It's at this point I'm just running in circles. Literally and figuratively. So like I've been at this for so long to let's see. Yeah. That's me right now, you know. But the good news is it actually I got the movement going. I got a lot done today. I got these walls moving properly. Got the radius working. Got the different I can add any shape I want. I got that all mathematically figured out in these vertex patterns. I'm really happy with that. So all right. Thank you for watching, man. Yeah. Hell yeah. Have a good night. Adios. Thank you. All right. Good night. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Good night. Oh.